Hello, I'm Chris. This is Growth Models. Welcome to issue 59 of Building the Batmobile from 1966. We're looking at what we got. Shane. Shane played by Cliff Robertson. Obviously, just sort of some sort of cowboy thing. I don't know. Gotham City 100. Don't know. Don't know him either. One where Batman and Robin unwittingly walk into a western. I figured it was a western sort of thing, but yeah, don't know about that. There we go. Two-Face is in there. The car parts we've got. This is what we're here for. We're starting the Bat computer, the mobile crime computer, as well as more electronics before testing their functions. I'm looking forward to that quite a lot. So we're building the sign to the mobile crime computer, plugging in the last couple of sockets, securing the cables. We've got some stickers to do that, putting in some batteries and plugging things in. Forward to that as well. I'll get the beacon light to plug into the extension thing that's already on there. Then we can test it. We've got power, volume up, volume down. Nice volume control. Horn, detector, scope, brake lights. No function on button number 7. It's the one that's got no sticker or no label on it. A right turn, beacon light, left turn, headlights, and engine sound and the afterburner. Nice. Right, let's get straight to this and start with the Bat computer. Right, so today's parts, we have the mobile crime computer, which is obviously going to have lots of bits and flashy stuff on it. We've got the name, so obviously everything in the Batman universe, in the 1966 universe, has got a label on it. It's very, very strange, but that's the way it goes. So this is going on the top there. We've got our screws. It's nice to have some screws to do. We haven't done that for a little while. We've got 2 screws to put in. One which we'll keep safe. We need it again at some point in the future. Get that in there, that on there. Through there and into there. Same on the other side. Got to label your mobile crime computer or you wouldn't know what it does. Might need some mobile crime computing and not know where to put it. There we go. That is that for now. We'll put that aside because we're not doing anything else with that today. We have 2 more wires to untwiddle. Got headlights and backlights or some such thing. There's one more light for the front and a pair back. Like rear lights on there. Right, I shall get these plugged in. You've seen me plug in the last couple of issues, so you not need to see me do this on the last couple, I'm sure. These untwiddled and plugged in, and we'll get the bits of tape in place to hold them where they say they should be. So let me get that sorted out. I'll bring in the car itself and finish off with the wiring by the looks of it. Right, I have taped down a couple of the wires. I've got one more to do. One more batch of wires to do. Did even start this off, but then that didn't work very well because it's gone stuck itself back down again. Come on, off you come. Come on. Just want the little bit of sticker. There we go. So this is going to be this whole batch of wires that's going up to the front piece. It just says to tape it down there, just the other side of the speaker. That's what I shall do. Put that down there. So we've got, coming off the front here, we've got the right indicator, an interior light, I think, as well as the front headlights, which I've just plugged in. Coming over to the left here, we've got the left indicator. And over there, we've got, coming from the back, we've got 2 red ones, yellow one, another yellow one, and off over there. And we've also got one that's got nothing plugged into it floating around in the middle. Now that one is for way back in the second issue or something. We built this piece, which has got a wire coming out of it. So we're going to plug that into there. Test everything out. There we go. I've already put some batteries in it. The switch is just about here. So I shall flick that to the on position and nothing happens. But we've got the remote. So we push the power button, nothing happens. Ah, there you go. Beeping noises. Very nice to have a volume control. Right, so we've got indicators. We've got left and right, which I assume are going to be the indicators. So there we go. You can see there an indicator going and the other one for the front. That's on the right hand side. If I push left, they turn off. The ones on the left start flashing. That one and that one. Yep, both working in sync. Good. Let's turn that off again. We've got the whatever that is. Is that? No. That must be the other. Oh. Right, that's making the brake lights come on. Not the headlights as well. Headlights, where are the headlights? Around it somewhere. That's the headlights. Headlight button there, which also makes them come on. That must be the brake. Brake light makes them come up brighter if they're on, or come on if they're not, which is fair enough. That's that. We've got the dome light. Must be the dome light. Yep, there we go. Flashing dome light. We've got the other one, which is over there and flashing when that comes on. That's the bat signal or whatever, or something around there. Got one that doesn't do anything. We've got the horn, which you can just about hear. If I keep talking, you won't hear it cut out. And we've got the key, which will start it up. There we go, that's going. That'll be the afterburner as well. Where's the afterburner light? The afterburner light's coming off the back here somewhere. Sure, I did have an afterburner light. That's those two. That's the indicator. That's the other indicator. There's another one that should be coming off backwards over here. Let's turn it on again. See what lights up. We've got one going the wrong way. No idea. I'm sure it's around here somewhere. There was an afterburner, wasn't there? It's definitely a thing. Oh well. I'll have a play and try and find it, but so far I'm happy that everything seems to be working. Apart from that I can't find. I'll have to look up and see which letter it was. Three. There's only 4 coming off the back here. I thought there should be another one. You check out the instructions and check it again. We got, yeah, there should be an extra one coming towards the back here that I've misplaced. Obviously got it going somewhere up there. Might be one of these. That one, that's an indicator. Let's turn the lights on and see what doesn't come on. That hasn't come on. Probably that. No, that might be the computer thing. The flashy computer. That's the flashy bat signal thing. So it's not that one. What else have I got? Another one there. That's it. That should be coming backwards, not where I've got it. Steal that one back out of there. Goes back around there. Have that coming out the back. Is the afterburner. It comes on when the afterburner happens, and we'll probably go back up again. There we go. So that's definitely the afterburner one. So I'll just reroute that a little bit better to go out the back there. And that is that. Another issue completed. Next time, I think we're just been doing a bit more of the mobile crime computer and having a look at the free gifts included in this issue, in this pack. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.